Hello students, I am Sunil Harinkhede, Subject Assistant English, Diet Gondia. Subject English, My English Book 5, Standard 5th. At the market and open your textbook page number 85. Learn with fun and let's learn about at the market. At the market, look at the following pictures. Read the conversation given on slides. Then match the conversation and the pictures. म्हणजेच इथे आपल्याला काही कन्व्हर्सेशन्स दिलेले आहेत, चित्र दिलेले आहेत आणि त्यांच्या जोड्या लावायच्या आहेत. We have to match the conversation with the picture. So this is picture. There is a shopkeeper. There is a man. Yes, he has a list. Then there is a old ajoba. There is a boy, girl. Okay. And there is also the man with sugarcane. Yes. There are two girls and there is a box of cake. Oh, there is a man who is roasting the corns. This is the another place. There are the sacks of grains. Yes. And this is there is a woman. She is purchasing something. Yeah. Vegetables, fruits. Here also the man and the woman. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 pictures. And we have also 8 conversations. So we have to match proper conversation to the exact picture. Good morning, Aji. How can I help you? I want to buy rice for the whole year. Show me the varieties you have and tell me the prices. Aji, this variety is good. Don't worry about the price. It is not very costly. This is one conversation. Grandappa, the bubbles look so lovely. Can we buy the bubbles maker? Why not? Let's buy 3. 2 for you children and 1 for me. The third conversation slide is here are your potatoes. Would you like to buy tomatoes? These are nice and fresh. Sure, wait, I will give you another bag for the tomatoes. Hello uncle, mother has sent this list of grocery items for the month. Can you deliver them today? Sure, we will deliver them today. So in this way, these are the 4 conversations. The next one is, do you like roasted corn cobs? Oh, I love them with salt and lemon juice. Let's see at what price he is selling them. The next one is, please give us 2 full glasses and don't put ice in the juice. But Mama, I want some ice in my juice. Okay, put just a little ice in each glass. Give me some tomatoes. Where's your bag? I don't have one. Give me a plastic carry bag. Sorry, I don't keep plastic carry bags. And the last conversation is, have you tried these cakes? They are so delicious. Oh, this is new cake shop, isn't it? But I am not very fond of cakes. So in this way we have seen the 8 pictures and we read 8 conversations or dialogues. So dear students, now we will match them. Okay, so let's see how we can match. This is the picture and the conversation is, this is, hello uncle. Here the boy is saying that hello, this is the boy, and the boy is saying that Hello uncle, mother has sent me items for the month list. This is the list. Can you deliver them today? And this is the uncle. Sure, we will deliver today. So in this way, this is the picture and this is the conversation. The second one, grandappa. This is the grandappa. Okay. The bubbles looks lovely, though these are the white bubbles. Yes. Can we buy bubble maker? Grandappa says, why not? Let's buy 3. 2 for you, for her and for you, and 1 for me. So this is the proper match of this conversation. Now this is picture and the exact conversation is, this is, please give us 2 full glasses and don't put ice in the juice. So this man is making juice of sugarcane, usacha ras. Okay. So this is the match. The fourth one is, these are the cakes and the 2 girls. Have you tried these cakes? They are so delicious. And the another girl is saying, this is new cake shop, isn't it? But I am not very fond of cakes. So in this way, this is the proper pair of this. So here also, do you like roasted corn cobs? Oh, I love them. Means here boy and girl are man and woman. They are discussing these words. Here, good morning Aji means the shopkeeper is saying to Aji, good morning, how can I help you? Aji is saying that I want to buy a race for whole year. So in this way, this is the conversation which is in Aji and the shop. Now here, give me some tomatoes. This man is asking for tomatoes. These are the red tomatoes in the basket. Where's your bag? The Aji is asking to him, where is your bag? So I don't have, and he is demanding for plastic carry bag. But Aji says that I don't keep plastic carry bags. So this is the conversation. Now here's your potatoes. See, in this pink bag there are potatoes. So in this way, this is the conversation between this Aji and the man. Okay. So in this way we match all the pictures with their dialogues and conversation. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. आपण पुन्हा भेटूया दुसऱ्या व्हिडिओ मध्ये. बाय.